The Sailrite Snap Fastener Deluxe Installation Tool is a 2-piece heavy-duty setting tool for Line 24 snap fasteners. Along with snap fasteners, this tool also installs pull-the-dot fasteners and 2-button twist eye-lock studs. What sets this deluxe snap fastener apart from others is its durable heat-treated metal that is strong enough to set nickel-plated and stainless steel snaps. To use this tool, you will need a hole in your fabric and a mallet. To cut the hole, you can use a hole punch, a revolving hole punch, or a drill hole cutter, all of which Sailrite offers on our website. The metal anvil has 2 sides, one for setting buttons and the other for eyelets. We recommend using a sturdy surface to use this tool, as well as at least 3 layers of fabric to securely set the snaps. This is a great tool for the price and can be your go-to installation tool for years to come. And to make it easy to get yours, we've linked it down in the description below. And make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.